Alright, let's learn about fraction. Today's topic is what fraction, and you need two basic things to know fraction. One, you need to know BODMAS. You can see the word BODMAS means B for brackets, O is for off, and anytime you see off in mathematics, it still means multiplication times. Then D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Please, what I'm trying to tell is that when you see fraction, anytime you want to solve problem concerning fraction, look at the fraction. If you have brackets, if you have anything inside bracket, make sure you solve the one of bracket first. And if you see off before come division. If you see fraction that contain addition and subtraction, please do the addition side first. Okay, so you can see that B for bracket, O for off, and all that. Now let's solve this fraction. Let's solve this fraction. We have 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is half. And please, anytime you see 0.5 in mathematics, it means 1 over 2. It means half. So we have half, that means 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Now, if you solve this fraction like this, you will make mistake. So what you do, you rearrange the fraction again, bring in the plus 1 first. You have 1 over 2, bring this plus, because plus comes before, look at it, BODMAS, A before S, addition before subtraction. So it means you bring the plus 1 first, 2 over 3, then you take the minus 1. You rearrange it like this, because we are solving fraction. Because addition comes before what? Subtraction. Now let's solve this fraction. Your LCM is what? 6. I believe you know how to find LCM. In my previous video, I told you how to find LCM. So when you have fraction like this, the LCM, the denominator is the LCM. So you use the LCM to divide this one. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now use that result to multiply the numerator, the upper one. So let's go again. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Anything times 1 is that thing. Plus, we'll go again. 6 divide this. 6 divide 3, 2. 2 times this, 4. 6 divide 3, 2. 2 times 1, minus 2. So we have 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 2 is what? 5. So the result is what? 5 all over 6. This is just the answer. Let me explain again. We have this fraction. They are telling us that 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. How do we solve this fraction? I said because we are obeying BODMAS, plus before minus, addition before subtraction. So you arrange it. Write 1 over 2. You bring this plus first. This is plus 2 over 3. Because plus comes first, you bring the plus 1 first. Then you put the minus 1. Obeying BODMAS. So what you do, you look for the denominator, the LCM of the denominators. 2, 3, and 3. The LCM is 6. I believe you know how to find it because I posted that video before. So you put the LCM here. Now say the 6 divided by this 2. The result is 3. Whatever you have, use it to multiply this up 1. 6 divided this 3. 3 times 1 is 3. You put the 3 here. You come again. You put plus. You come again. 6 divided 3 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. You put the 4 again. The last one, 6 divided 3 is what? 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is still 2. So look at it. So we have 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 over 6. So this is the final answer. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Bye.